It's your boy Skit. I'm here with the heart of Orlando, the soul of the city, Miss Chris. How you doing,
I'm doing all right. How you doing, man?
Doing good. I want to ask you about your movement.
Oh man, about my movement. Actually, this is our movement. Industry Mondays is a platform that we're creating for Orlando's entertainment and some comedy that we see and we heard and we know. If you take a look around right now, we have artists, we have DJs again, we have promoters, we have producers. Everybody's out here. We just socialize, network, eat, drink, party. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna do. Orlando is a movement going on. You see it going anywhere anytime soon. This is where it is every Monday night. Industry Mondays is going down officially. This is where it is. I'm telling you. We have artists that range from first-time performers to artists that are getting paid to do shows. So we're pleased with the outcome right now. We're not done. We're working. Our team, absolutely, man. Our team is working.
So can we announce you as the official queen of underground hip hop?
You can introduce me any way you like.
Yo, we're gonna introduce right now live the official queen of underground hip hop, Miss Chris.
Oh man, that's what it is. What a title. I wear that very proudly and humbly. I am moved and overwhelmed by the outcome of support from Orlando's artists. I don't really know what to say. It's incredible. We've actually used to be at 50% West. We moved this venue in a matter of a couple of days, and all the artists came with us, and we are blown away by the amount of support and the support level. And we put this on every Monday. We do it for you guys. We're going to continue to do it big, officially. We got people that are coming in. We're connecting and networking with people outside of Orlando.
Chris, let me ask you, give them some contact information in case there's other underground artists out there that want to come participate in this event.
Okay, well, you can reach me at I am Miss Chris. That's on Twitter. IAMMISSPRISS. You can hit me on my Facebook at Tammy Chris Jones. That's TAMMIPRISS Jones. You can also hit my assistant Summer Rays at Summer Rays. That's Twitter at Summer Rays. We will work with anybody. If you come in and support us, we will support you guys. And that's what it is. We appreciate everybody coming out and showing love, and we're just doing the damn thing right now.
Shout out.
Shout out to Old Town. Old Town holding it down officially. Shout out to everybody that supports our movement. We love you guys. We're gonna keep putting it on for you, and that's what it is. Come chill with us. Come chill with us.
Shout out to
11, 12
we in the building.
Industry Mondays.
The movement.
Yes. Industry Mondays, baby. That's what it is. Peace.